Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to express your love and affection than with a thoughtful gift hamper? Let's take a look at what's inside. All these gifts are packaged in a beautiful hamper, making it the perfect gift for your Valentine. So, surprise your loved one with a personalized gift this Valentine's Day. Let's start making this gift box. Take an empty box. You can reuse any sweet box. Cut the shape of heart in the center of the box using paper cutter. Don't throw away the cutting, we are going to use it in later part of the video. Cover the entire box with a decorative paper. Next, we will start by preparing the heart-shaped container. Take the cutting of the heart and 2-inch wide strip of a thin cardboard to make the sides of the container. Start to paste the cardboard on the sides using glue and transparent tape. Take a thermocol sheet and cut a heart out of it and fill it inside the container. Now, let's make some rose flowers to decorate our heart. Take a pink sheet and cut a circle out of it. Draw a spiral on the circle and cut along the edges as shown in the video. Roll the spiral using a toothpick to form a rose and glue the center portion. Similarly, make more such roses in pink and red color. Next, I need some partitions in my gift hamper to place my gifts, so just cut 2-inch wide strips of different length from the cardboard and cover them with a pink paper. You can adjust the size of the partitions according to your need. Now only thing left is to assemble all the parts. Firstly, glue the heart-shaped container. Make sure that the heart container is aligned with the heart opening in the cover of the box. Now paste the partitions in the box. Arrange the roses in the shape of a heart and glue them, a classic symbol of love and romance. Fill some shredded paper in the space provided to give a more finished look. Now, we will add a bottle of perfume for a touch of elegance. A tie, which is a perfect touch of elegance to any outfit. A watch with stylish accessory that will be treasured every day. Next, we will add some chocolate and drinks for that sweet touch. And last but not least, we will add a personalized touch with a heartfelt note or a special picture. Our hamper is ready. Let's quickly decorate the cover of the box as well. We will make a bow using a red ribbon as shown in the video. Paste the bow and some decorative lace on the edges of the box. A beautiful and thoughtful gift hamper for our loved one is ready. Express your love with this handmade gift hamper. With a little bit of creativity and some special items, we can make this Valentine's Day extra special. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.